It's not coming right now.
You still have it coming?
I feel it. It's right. It's chilling right here.
It's chilling. It's just chilling. Mommy.
Well, it's coming. It's coming. I feel it. I feel it.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me?
Oh.
It's coming. It's coming. Stay tuned. It's coming. There's still more left.
Jesus, you have a gas problem.
Yeah, it still stinks. According to you.
Squirted some out. Ew, that didn't sound right.
Yeah, that's so weird. This feels funny. I'm waiting for it to come out, but it won't. Watch, it's gonna come out like mid-set tonight when I'm dancing. Oh, cheese and rice.
Any more?
I think I'm good for now.
You guys didn't eat today?